In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Framer templates. If you're building a website and want a fast professional starting point, templates in Framer are a great way to jump in. I'll walk you through the simple flow so you can get to the fun part, customizing your site to match your brand or idea. First, open your web browser and head over to framer.com. You'll land on the home page or your dashboard depending on whether you've visited before. The goal here is to get to your Framer workspace where you can create and manage projects. Once the site loads, take a second to look around so you know where you are. This makes everything else easier. Next, click New Project. This is your gateway to starting quickly. You'll usually find it near the top or on the main dashboard. When you click it, Framer will offer you different ways to begin, and the template route is the most efficient if you want something polished out of the box. Think of this as choosing the foundation for your site. Everything else can be customized later. Now select a template and click. Browse the gallery to find a layout that fits your goal: portfolio, landing page, blog, or something more niche. Look at the structure, typography, and general feel rather than the specific images or colors, because you'll change those. If there's a preview available, use it to get a sense of the sections and interactions. When you've found one that matches your vision, click it to start your project with that design. Framer will open the template in the editor so you can immediately begin tailoring it. You'll see the canvas in the center, your layers or page structure to the side, and a properties panel where you can adjust styles like colors, spacing, and typography. Click on any text to rewrite headlines and body copy so they reflect your message. Replace images and logos with your own assets to make it feel authentic to your brand. If the template includes components, you can reuse them across pages for consistency. Don't worry about breaking things. Framer makes it easy to tweak and undo as you go. As you explore, keep an eye on how the design responds at different sizes. Templates are built to be responsive, so your edits should adapt across desktop and mobile nicely. When you're happy with the base, you've successfully used a template to jumpstart your site, and you're ready to refine and polish from there. That's it. Go to framer.com, start a new project, choose a template, and you're in.